What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer. And not that long ago, we gave you guys our ultimate smart home tour where we showed you all the awesome tech that we have in the house. But a lot of you had something to say about that guy over there, our front door. You said a lot about the smart lock that we had on there. We'll talk about that later. But in my defense, I did tell you guys that I wanted to make some changes to the front door. And one of the most exciting changes is going to be this guy right here. This is the Level Touch. Level was cool enough to sponsor today's video and send this thing out so that we can upgrade the door. But before we get into that, we gotta take a look at what we were working with before. And please, hold your jokes. All right, guys, so first things first, we gotta talk about our door. This is the door you might have seen in the smart home tour. So this is what we're currently using. This thing came with the house. We've got the August smart lock on here that I put on myself. You guys were trashing me about this not being completely leveled, it being a little bit to the side. I don't even know how you guys noticed that, but I do see it. It is slightly, boom, there you go. Fixed it. So this guy's actually going to get replaced along with this door. You know, the door's been cool. It's held up pretty decently, but it came with the house. We want to get our new door up. We're actually going to be replacing it with this guy over here. This is going to be our new door. Now, I'm not going to be replacing it. We've got somebody else coming over today to swap the doors out, put on, you know, the locks and all that stuff. And then where I come in is the smart lock, baby. All right, guys, so the new door is in. A little bit dusty, gotta wipe it down a little bit. But for the most part, I like it. I think it looks good. We got this nice new little window over here, so we get a little bit more light in. Excited for that. But we do just have regular locks over here. I wanted to be the one who adds the new smart lock myself, kind of show you guys what that process is like. I am thinking about painting it white, like this one, so that it can match the rest of the doors in this foyer. I think it's time to say goodbye to this chunky little guy, the August lock. It's served me well, but it'll be nice to have something a lot more compact and a lot quieter too. So I'm looking forward to that, but we do have something better to go in there. All right, so the door is in place. Now it's time to get into the Level Touch. So this right here is supposed to be the invisible smart lock. And I've seen this thing, guys. It's super tiny, very minimalistic, but let's unbox it. All right, took off that first layer. Now, of course, you get some paperwork up top, but to the left of that, you'll actually get some interesting cards over here. So these are gonna essentially be like keys. So you can have these on you and get access to the smart lock. But this is it, guys. Like, check this out. This right here, this is everything that you'll need. And like, look how small it all is. But we have all the pieces to the lock over here. So we'll be putting all of this in. But what's in this box? Okay, so we've got the single battery. So this thing is actually supposed to be able to power it, I think up to a year, which is crazy. And let's see, we got some screws, we have the cover, and for those folks out there who want to be a little bit old-fashioned, you still got your keys. All right, Jay, we're in handyman mode again, man. This is happening a lot more often than I expected. Now, the craziest thing is I saw someone install this in under 5 minutes. Is that gonna happen with my skill level? I don't know, but it's supposed to be extremely easy to install this guy. So I'll take you guys along for the process. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna take this thing off. These are the locks that we put here for the time being. I should probably open the door, huh? Judd, what have you done? All right, so first things first, get rid of this guy. Then we pop this out. All right, Jay, we're doing it, we're handy. And what's cool is like, if you look at the instructions, there's literally 5 steps here. All right, we're on number 3 already. All right, guys, so I think I've got everything laid out. I think I'm ready to go. Jay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, Jay's like, I don't gotta do nothing, I'm good. So first, actually, before we even get started, I'm gonna remove the plate that's there. Okay, and this is the one that comes with it. Boom. Now we're gonna actually install the bolt. All right, so I have to see if this will fit. Oh, perfect. And now to install the motor, And look how small this is, guys. All I have to do is tighten one screw. Man, I'm such a handyman, Jay. I mean, we're almost there, man. And then I just put this guy over here.
Oh, that's it?
Jay, that's it. That was crazy fast. Now, the important part, you guys know, like, the AvgGF has like 4 AA batteries. For this guy, all you have to do is unscrew this part right here, and yeah, you just take the battery, pop it in, and we've got our juice. Now, how much easier is that than having to take off the entire front of the lock and, oh. Now, I still wanna change the handles. These handles that we have on the door, I'm gonna change too, but I just can't believe it. All that's left is to go ahead and activate it. Okay guys, so Handyman Judd took care of it. Got this installed as well as the handle. And once you've got the Level Touch installed, all you need to do is download the app, which is on both iOS and Android. But if you are an iOS user, you can just go ahead and scan the little barcode in the back to get it working with HomeKit. So if you have HomeKit or you would like to take advantage of it, you just scan the code there. And it's actually a pretty simple app. And once you've got the app set up, it's pretty simple to just go into the settings on the bottom, and you have access to a bunch of different features. But let's actually go to the thing and let me show you guys something. And actually, for what I wanna show you guys, we're gonna have to leave the premises. So some of the features I'm gonna show you guys only works when you're coming back to the house. So the Level Touch actually creates a geofence around your house so that it knows when you leave or come back to the house, so that it can auto unlock, auto lock, that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna show you one of the cool features that it has when you get back home. So now that I've entered the geofence, the Level Touch should know that I'm on my way inside the house. Oh snap, got some food here too, I'll pick that up. And to get inside, all I have to do, guys, that's why it's called Level Touch. So when you get back home, you don't need a key, you don't even need to pull out your smartphone. You can just walk up to the door, put your finger on it, and it'll automatically unlock. It's not a fingerprint scanner or sensor of any sort. It just feels the touch of a human being, and then it unlocks. And while you can of course use the touch to unlock the door, you can also use it to lock it. So you can just close your door, tap it, it'll lock, and you can head off to wherever you have to go. Now, for those of you who might be concerned, if you're home, what if somebody just comes up and touches your doorknob? Well, you have to leave the house in order for that touch to be enabled again. So if I'm home, my phone could be like right here. If someone else comes in and touches the doorknob, it's not gonna work. Even if I open the door, try to touch it again, not gonna cut it. So Level already has your safety in mind. Nobody can come in behind you and touch it and get inside of your home. That only works for you. Now the thing has some other cool features, but now that it's installed, I feel like we should show Ari, right, Jay? Yeah. So might as well explain it to her while we're explaining it to you guys. Ari! Ari! She said, what? Let me go get her. All right, guys, so we've got Ari over here and Austin, so if you hear him, say what's up. But Ari, this is it. I, myself, installed the new Level Touch.
No, you didn't.
I sure did. And we also installed a new door handle, the Omnia door handle over here.
Oh, so that's sweet.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
And it's got some heft to it too. This is it. What do you think?
I like the simplicity of it. I wouldn't know it's like some super high-tech lock.
Yeah?
That's
Isn't it so much smaller than
Oh,
the
that big
AvgGF?
thing. Oh my God, yes.
But now let me tell you why it's special and what it could do. You probably don't know.
I don't.
Okay, well, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So first of all, I can't show you this feature because I'm already inside. But if we leave, we come back home, you know how these smart locks automatically unlock and that kind of stuff? Mm-hmm. Well, it can auto unlock as soon as we get home, as soon as we enter that geofence I was telling you guys about. But if you don't want to have that auto unlock feature on, you can just come up to the door and literally put your finger on it.
Oh, wow. So like anyone can touch it?
No.
Oh.
That's that would be the first person.
It's everyone.
Exactly. That would be the first person's thought. But the thing is, once you get inside your home and if you've already unlocked the door, you're not gonna be able to just touch it. So even if I step out right now and come back in, I can't do it unless I leave the geofence, the area that it tracks
Okay,
around
so
us.
if you leave the geofence and someone else randomly comes up to our door and presses it, they can unlock it?
No, because I have to enter the geofence after leaving it. Oh. So nobody's gonna be able to just come in behind you, unlock the door. That's one of the cool things about it, because you see right now, even as I'm touching it, it thinks it's locked, but as I'm touching it, I can't unlock it.
Nice. So there's no
Awesome
searching for
like that.
keys. That's cool.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And if you're not trying to use any of the auto unlock features or the touch feature, you can just jump into the app, press this,
Okay.
and it'll automatically unlock the door for you.
Nice. So you can give access to other people?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and have someone download the app, make an account, and give them the guest access that you can restrict, take away, you know how those things work, the guests. But what's also cool is that Level also has these guys over here. These are card keys.
Like a hotel.
Yeah, exactly.
That is so cute.
So you have these. So let's say someone doesn't have a smartphone, or I don't know, they forget their phone, or maybe they're going out for a jog, like your mom likes to go for jogs around
True.
here. She doesn't want to walk around with her phone or something. All she needs to do is carry this key. Let me show you guys how that works. So all you would have to do is make sure the logo is lined up with this area.
Oh no, that's cool. That is cool.
Right?
I feel like I want to get some of them for the guest rooms. So like when we have people stay over.
Yeah, that'd be dope. But what's also nice about this is you can control the access too. So this is not like a physical key where once someone has the key, they can get in, get out, do whatever. This one, you could take away access just like you would with an account on someone's smartphone.
I think my favorite thing though is the fingerprint feature because
Of course.
we fumbled around with our
it's not
phone.
a fingerprint. It's just a finger touch.
Okay, so the finger touch feature, because I feel like, especially over here, we have bad service. We've been like fumbling with our phones to unlock it with our previous lock, so that's cool. I didn't think I would be this interested in a lock. I gotta be honest. I'm like, okay, it's a lock, but this is cool.
Yeah, I mean, and it actually looks so much better than what we had before.
I feel like the whole entrance just looks so much better.
It really does. So new door,
Hey.
new lock, new handles. And you know what's dope, Ari? Check this out. So to actually get this thing working,
What's that?
this is the battery.
What?
Just one little battery right inside of here. Isn't that clever?
Yeah, that's really cute.
How long do you think this battery lasts?
I think 6 months,
6 months?
1 year.
Dang, you can't take multiple guesses. It's 1 year.
Oh, nice.
So the August lock was like what, 3 to 4 months or something?
Oh, that thing was always dying.
It's always beeping, letting us know like, I'm dying.
Yeah.
You don't gotta worry about that with this. And another cool thing that this thing can do, because it works with HomeKit, you can have a HomePod nearby or something and make it work remotely. So you don't actually have to be home in order to unlock the door. So you can have remote access to the lock, which is really cool. I'm just glad that we finally upgraded this thing and now nobody could come for me and talk their mess.
Yeah, look, it's straight too. Or should I say it's level?
Ooh, I like that. And of course, this thing has all the safety certifications you'd come to expect. But that about wraps it up for this video. This is a huge upgrade for us. But if you guys want to learn more about Level, they actually have some pretty cool products. The Level Touch, I'll have it linked down below in the description so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I am super happy about this.
And so is he. That drool on his face.
He has drool on his face?
Yeah.
Making him look bad. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives it a thumbs up. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.
I think a Christmas gift for like my parents.
Oh,
Yeah, I
that
feel like
would
they'd
be
like
really
that.
good.